how are you? I hope all are doing good. Welcome back Murari Maths online classes. Today I would like to explain trigonometry problems. Okay, now explain question number 1. Cos A minus B value given 3 by 5. Tan A tan B equal to 2. Then find out cos A plus B. Okay, so what are given? So tan A tan B as well as cos A minus B given. So tan A into tan B equal to 2. Okay, we have tan A formula sin A by cos A, sin B by cos B. So sin A by cos A into sin B by cos B equal to 2 by 1. So by using component to dividend formula, so what is the formula? A by B equal to C by D. That implies A plus B by A minus B equal to C plus D by C minus D. Okay, we should apply this formula. So this is in the form of A by B equal to C by D. So by using component of dividend formula, what is the formula? A plus B by A minus B equal to C plus D by C minus D. So let us take sin A sin B A, cos A cos B B. So 2 is D, 1 is 2 is C, 1 is D. So A by B equal to C by D. So what is the formula? A plus B, sin A sin B plus A plus B, cos A cos B upon sin A sin B minus cos A cos B equal to C plus D, equal to C plus D, C plus D by C minus D, 2 plus 1 by 2 minus 1. So cos A cos B plus sin A sin B, we have formula cos A minus B. In denominator 1 minus 1 take out common, cos A cos B minus sin A sin B, this will be cos A plus B equal to 3. Okay, 3 by 1. So cos A minus B, our target is cos A plus B. So cos A minus B value given 3 by 5. Okay, so it will going to be 3 by 5 minus cos A plus B equal to 3. 1 3 get cancelled. So let us do cross product. Minus 1 by 5 is equal to cos A plus B. So what is the answer? Minus 1 by 5. Okay, let us go to the next problem. So tan A value, tan B values are given. Then we have to find A plus B. Okay. Okay, let us take tan A plus B formula. So tan A plus B equal to tan A plus tan B upon 1 minus tan A into tan B. It will going to be tan A value given 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3 by 1 minus 1 by 2 into tan B value 1 by 3. Okay, let us do LCM, 6 LCM, 3 plus 2 by 3 plus 2 by 6. In denominator LCM also 6 minus 1 by 6. So 5 by 6 by 5 by 6, it will going to be 1. Therefore, tan A plus B equal to 1. So one place in, we should write 45, tan 45 degrees, tan 5 by 4. Okay, therefore A plus B equal to 5 by 4. So what is the answer? 5 by 4. Okay, moving to next question. A plus C equal to 2B given. Then we have to find a cos C minus cos A by sin C, sin A minus sin C. Okay, so cos C minus cos A by sin A minus sin C. This is our target. We have cos C minus cos D formula. Okay, cos C minus cos D, cos C minus cos D equal minus 2 sin C plus D by 2 sin C minus D by 2. Okay, so in denominator sin C minus sin D, we should applying sin C minus sin D formula. 2 cos C plus D by 2 sin C minus D by 2. Okay, now we should applying cos C minus cos D formula, minus 2 sin C plus A by 2. we are replacing a there. So minus 2 sine c plus a by 2 sine c minus a by 2 by, so by using sin c minus sin d, 2 cs, 2 cos a plus c by 2. What is the formula? 2 cos c plus d by 2 sin c minus d by 2. So sin a minus c by 2. In this one 2 get cancelled. So minus of sin c minus a by 2, it will going to be sin of, okay, sin by cos tan a plus c by 2 into, so minus of sin c minus a by 2, it can be written as sin a minus c by 2 by sin a minus c by 2. So sin a minus c by 2 get cancelled, where a plus c value given 2b. So this, it will be tan 2b by 2. So what is answer? Tan b. Let us go to the next problem. So 5 cos x plus 12 cos y equal 13. Then find the maximum value of 5 sin x plus 12 sin y. So what is given? 5 cos x plus 12 cos y equal to 13. Okay, let us take 5 cos x plus 12 cos y equal to 13, equation 1. But our target is the maximum value of 5 sin x plus 12 sin y. Okay, so let us take 5 sin x plus 12 sin y equal to t. Okay, let us take second equation. Okay, let us do equation 1 whole square plus equation 2 whole square. Okay, now equation 1 whole square, 5 cos x plus 12 cos y whole square plus equation 2 whole square is 5 sin x plus 12 sin y whole square equal to 13 square plus t square. Okay, now by using a plus b whole square formula, a square 25 cos square x plus b square 144 cos square y plus 2ab, 2 into ab. Okay, 2 into 5 12 120 cos x cos y. Okay, this is also in the form of a plus b whole square, a square 25 sin square x plus b square 144 sin square y plus 2ab. 2 into a value 5 sin x, b value 12 sin y. So 2ab is 120 sin x sin y equal to 169 plus t square. Okay, so 25 cos square x plus 25 sin square x, 125 take out common, cos square x plus sin square x value 1 plus 144 cos square y, 144 sin square y, 144 take out common, cos square y plus sin square y we get 1 plus 120 take out common in remaining terms. So 120 into cos x cos y plus sin x sin y, it will be cos x minus y equal to 169 plus t square. So 25 plus 144, 169 get cancelled. So t square equal to 120 times of cos x minus y. Okay, we have got t square value 120 times of cos x minus y. But our target is maximum value of 5 sin x plus 12 sin y is nothing but t. So maximum value of t is our target. Okay. So maximum, first we have to find maximum value of t square. 120 times of maximum value of cos x minus y. Okay, where cos function lies between -1 to +1. So maximum value of cos x minus y is +1. So minimum value of cos x minus y is -1. So 120 times of 1. So what is this? Maximum value of t square. But our target is, so required is maximum value of t. So t is nothing but 5 sin x plus 12 sin y equal to root 120. Okay, look at the next question. Find the value of cos square 76 degrees plus cos square 16 degrees minus cos 76 degrees into cos 16 degrees. Okay. So cos square 76 degrees plus cos square 16 degrees. We have cos square theta formula 1 minus sin square theta. So it will be 1 minus sin square 16 degrees minus cos 76 degrees into cos 16. Okay, divide multiplied by 2. So we have cos square A minus sin square B formula. Cos square A minus sin square B equal to cos A plus B into cos A minus B. Okay. So 2 cos A cos B. So 2 cos A cos B formula. We have cos A plus B plus cos A minus B. Okay. We should applying these two formulae. So cos 1, first write 1 plus cos square A minus sin square B. We should applying this formula cos A plus B. 76 plus 16 into cos A minus B. 76 minus 16 minus 1 by 2 times of. So 2 cos A cos B, where A value 76 degrees, B value 16 degrees. So 2 cos A cos B is cos A plus B plus cos A minus B. Cos A plus B, 76 plus 16, 92. Cos A minus B, 76 minus 16, 60 degrees. Okay. It will going to be 1 plus cos, this is 92 degrees, cos 60 degrees. Cos 60 value 1 by 2. Minus 1 by 2 times of, this minus 1 by 2 multiply to all. Minus 1 by 2 times of cos 92 degrees. So minus 1 by 2 times of cos 60 value 1 by 2. Minus 1 by 2 cos 92 degrees plus 1 by 2 cos 92 degrees get cancelled. 1 minus 1 by 4. 1 by 2 into 1 by 2, 1 by 4. So 1 minus 1 by 4, it will going to be 3 by 4. So what is the answer? 3 by 4. Okay, moving to next question. Find the value of cos square pi by 6 plus theta minus sin square pi by 6 minus theta. Okay. We have cos square A minus sin square B formula. We have cos square A minus sin square B, cos A plus B into cos A minus B. Okay. Now, so what is required? Cos square pi by 6 plus theta minus sin square pi by 6 minus theta. Okay. So let us take A is equal to pi by 6 plus theta, B equal to pi by 6 minus theta. We should applying this formula cos A plus B, where A value pi by 6 plus theta plus B value pi by 6 minus theta, cos A plus B into cos A minus B, where A value write pi by 6 plus theta minus B value write pi by 6 minus theta. It will going to be cos pi by 6 plus pi by 6, pi by 3. Theta get cancelled into cos in this, so minus pi by 6 plus theta. Okay, cos pi by 6 plus theta. So minus pi by 6, so minus into minus plus theta. So pi by 6 get cancelled, cos 60 value 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 times of cos theta plus theta, it will be 2 theta. So 1 by 2 cos 2 theta, correct answer. Okay, let us go to the next problem. Summation k equal to 1, 2, 3 cos square 2k minus 1 into pi by 12. Okay. Put k is equal to 1, it will be cos square 2 into 1 minus 1 pi by 12 plus, if k is equal to 1, if k is equal to 2, cos square 2 into 2 minus 1 into pi by 12 plus, if k is equal up to 3, if k is equal to 3, So this value cos square 2 into 3 minus 1 into pi by 12. Okay. Now it will going to be cos square. So pi by 12 this is plus cos square 4 minus 1 3 pi by 12 plus cos square, so 6 minus 1 this is 5 pi by 12. Okay. So 3 1 3 4 they get cancelled. We have one formula cos square a plus cos square b equal to 1 if a plus b equal to 90 or 270. Okay. Cos square pi by 12 cos square pi by 12 cos square 5 by 12 cos square 5 pi by 12 cos square pi by 12 cos square 5 pi by 12 it will be 1. Why? Because pi by 12 plus 5 pi by 12 plus 5 pi by 12 equal to 6 pi by 12. It will be pi by 2. If this condition satisfied, cos square a plus cos square b value 1. Okay. In this case, pi by 12 plus 5 pi by 12 value pi by 2. So cos square pi by 12 plus cos square 5 pi by 12 value 1 plus cos 45 whole square. Cos 45 value 1 by root 2 whole square. So 1 plus 1 by 2, this it will be 3 by 2. Okay, now explain important formula. First one, cos square a plus cos square b equal to 1. Sin square a plus sin square b equal to 1. Tan a into tan b equal to 1. Cot a into cot b equal to 1. If a plus b is equal 90 or 270. Okay, now explain first one. Cos square a plus cos square b. Cos square a plus cos square. So b value right? If a plus b 90, b equal to 90 minus a or 270 minus a. Okay. So let us take a plus b is equal to 90. So b is equal to 90 minus a. So it will be cos square a plus cos 90 minus a sin a. Cos square a plus sin square a value 1. Cos square a plus cos 90 minus a value sin a. Cos square a plus sin square a value 1. Okay, cos square a plus cos 90 minus a value sin a. So cos square a plus sin square a value 1. Okay, now explain second one. Sin square a plus sin square b equal to 1. Sin square a plus sin square b place we should write 90 minus either 90 minus a or 270 minus a. Okay, 90 minus a right. So sin square a plus sin 90 minus a is cos square a. It will be 1. Okay. Now explain tan a into tan b. Tan a into tan b. Tan a into tan b place we should write 90 minus a or 270 minus a. So 90 minus a. So tan a into, so tan 90 minus theta is cot theta, cot a. So tan a into cot a get cancelled, answer will be 1. Okay. So now explain cot a into cot b. So cot a into cot b equal to cot a into cot b. B place we should write 90 minus a, either 90 minus a or 270 minus a. Okay, write 90 minus a. So cot a into cot 90 minus a is tan a. Get cancelled. So answer will be 1. Okay, let us go to the next problem. In triangle ABC, cos of b plus 2c plus 3a by 2 plus cos a minus b by 2 value. Okay. So in triangle ABC means a sum of angles equal to 180 degrees. Okay. So first we have to find C value. C is equal to 180 minus A minus B. Okay. Now this is a statement cos of, first write B plus 3A, B plus 3A plus 2 times of C. What is C? We have 180 minus A minus B by 2 plus cos A minus B by 2. Okay. Now it will going to be cos of B plus TA, 2 multiplied to all, 2 into 180 plus 360 minus 2A minus 2B by 2 plus cos A minus B by 2, write as it is. Okay, cos of, it will going to be 360 plus 3A minus 2A is plus A, B minus 2B is minus B. Okay, what is denominator? 2 by 2, 360 by 2 plus A minus B by 2 plus cos A minus B by 2. So 2 1 side, 2 180 is a cancel. Cos 180 plus theta, cos 180 plus theta, it will be minus cos theta minus cos A minus B by 2 plus cos A minus B by 2. Okay, we have cos 180 plus theta minus cos theta. So cos 180 plus A minus B by 2, it will going to be minus cos A minus B by 2. So minus cos A plus A minus B by 2 plus cos A minus B by 2 get cancelled. Answer is 0. Okay, moving to next question. So xy values are given. Then we have to find x to the power 4 into y square. Okay. So our target is x to the power 4 into y square, where x value a into secant theta plus tan theta whole square power 4 into, so what is y value? B times of secant theta minus tan theta power 4 whole square. Okay, x to the power 4, y to the power 2. So it will going to be a to the power 4 into secant theta plus tan theta, secant theta plus tan theta whole square power 4, 2 4 the 8. Okay, it will going to be b square into secant theta minus tan theta power 4 whole square, it will be 8. So a to the power 4 into b square. We have a plus b into a minus b. Okay, same powers, right? Secant theta plus tan theta into secant theta minus tan theta power 8. Okay, we have a plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square. So a to the power 4 into b square into, so it will be secant square theta a square minus b square. So tan square theta power 8. Secant square theta minus tan square theta, we have 1. Okay, so 1 to the power 8 is 1. So what is answer? A to the power 4 into b square into 1. A to the power 4 into b square answer. Thank you for watching. Remaining problems I will explain on coming classes.